my dear beloved viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to explain some problems regarding for high school students purpose only. Those who are studying 10th class or 9th class or 8th class, whichever it may be. Some problems regarding rational numbers. The rational numbers are nothing but it should be of the form p by q and q not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. At the same time, p and q have no other common factors except 1 itself. P and q have no other common factors except 1 and itself. So sometimes rational numbers may terminate. Suppose 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 means 0.5. It terminates. That means remainder becomes 0. But whereas 1 by 3, that means 0.3333, that will continuous, non-terminating. So that should be denoted by 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. That means every rational numbers must be terminate or non-terminating repeating, that is recurring one. So let us do some problems regarding conversion of the given either terminates or non-terminating recurring one into the form p by q. So for that one, it is a formula for you. To convert into p by q form means first write down the complete numbers minus number found by non-repeating digit whole divided by number of 9 as number of repeating digits, after that number of 0 as non-repeating digits. Let us do one problem. For suppose here 0.125 bar. Okay. So here complete number. This first of all you should write complete number 125 minus number found by non-repeating. Here every digit is repeating. No non-repeating digit is there. Just means 0. Okay. Next. Number of 9 as number of repeating digits. First of all, here this is the repeating digits. How many? 1, 2, 3. So write down 3 9s. After that, number of 0 as number of non-repeating digits. Here nothing should be there. So no 0 required. So this is the form of p by q for this one given recurring, non-terminating recurring digits. And one more problem. For suppose 0.435 bar. 0.435 bar. You see here first you must write the complete numbers. This is the complete numbers. 435. Okay, 435 minus here number found by non-repeating digits. This is non-repeating without bar. The number without bar. So write down this one. Divided by number of 9 as number of repeating digits. In this bar, that means in this repeating one, how many digits are there? 2 digits will be there. So write down 2 9s. And after that, number of 0 as number of non-repeating digits. Number of zeros. Here 1 is non-repeating digits. That's why only 1 0 is required. That means clearly here how much? 435 minus 4 gives us 431. by 990. 990. So this is the way to do. Any problem. Let us see one more problem. Third problem. 0.4657 bar. 0.46573 bar. So first of all, write down complete number 46573. Okay, complete. Write down the complete number. After that, just you should write here number formed by non-repeating. This is non-repeating. Write that number 46 by, in this one how many digits are repeated? 3 digits. So write 3 nines. Write 3 nines. How many non-repeating? 2 digits. So write here. Here in this one 3 digits are repeated. So we should write 3 nines. Non-repeating one 2. So write down 2 zeros. Okay. This is the way to do. Now subtract that one. What will get? First you should subtract. Here you have to subtract this one. 46573. That means simply 46. You have to subtract. That means 7. Okay. 13 minus 6, 7. Here 6 minus 4, 2. So 46,527 by 99,900. So for any problem, if you do like this, it's very easily comfortable. Especially in competitive exam, you have to utilize this formula. Okay? Now, consider another problem. You see, 25.632 bar into 55. First of all, suppose 5.6 is there. What you can write? 5 plus 0.6. In the same way, for suppose 5.6 bar, 5.6 bar is there. You can write 5 plus 0.6 bar. So in the same way, first of all, you should write this one like this. 25 plus 0.632 bar. Okay. So this you can write 25 plus, write down. Previous method. Complete number. Which is the complete number? 632 is the complete number. So minus the digit in non-repeating one. So write that digit. What digit? 6. Minus number of digits in this recurring one. How many digits? 2 digits. So write down 2 nines. Number of digits non-recurring, only 1. So put only 1 0. Okay. That means 25 plus here clearly 626 by 999. 626 by 999. So let us cancel this one. Or else just we have to multiply with this one. 2 fours, 2 fours, 8. So 19 is there. So 2 nines, again 2 fives. Okay, 2 fives. Okay, here also same thing. 2 threes, 2 1, 3. Again, once again. Now, you see, or else simply you have to remain as it is, no problem. 25 plus 626 by 990. This you can write in the mixed fraction. 25 626 by 990. Then you should multiply 990 into 25. So first you should multiply with 9. Okay. 5 nines 45. 5 nines 45. 49. 2 nines 18. 2 nines 18. 19. So 5. Again this is nothing but 17. This is nothing but 14. 2 4 7 5. But here 9 0. So at the end you have to put 0. That means here simply how can you multiply this mixed fraction means first of all you have to write 990 into 25 plus 626. Like this you have to convert into fraction. So okay by 990. So just you have to add 626. How much? 6, 7, 13, 25,000. 25,376 by 990. So this is the value of this one. Now you see, now I have to cancel the required one. Here required one is 25.632 bar into 55. Okay, this is nothing but this value 25,376 by 990 into 55. So 11 5s 55, 11 5s 55, 11 9s with 90. Okay, 11 9s. Again 5 1s. Again 5 18s. 5 18s. Again 2 9s. Here 2 1s, 2 2s 4, 1 3, 2 6, 2 8, again 2 8. So final one 12,688 by 9. By 9. Suppose if we want to write this fraction into terminating or non-terminating recurring, what we should do? What we should do? Let us start with long division. You see here now here 1 2 6 double 8. Okay, first 9 ones 9. Okay, 3 6 double 8. Okay, or simply here 9 axle 9 4s 36. Okay, so 940, 360. So 88. Okay, 88. That means 9 7s, 9 9s, 81. 9 9s, 81. Here 7 is there. Put decimal 0. 9 6 or 9 7s, 63. 9 7, 63. 63. Again 7 is there. Again 9 7s. Again 63. Again 7. That means this value is non-terminating recurring one. You see, that should continue 7 like that. So here this is nothing but and so on. So this you have to write like this. This is the non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay, this is the way to do. So for any number whenever given to you, if you want to convert into terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal means simply you have to divide like that. If remainder is not equal to 0 means that is nothing but non-terminating recurring one. Okay. If it is terminating means simply remainder should be 0. Okay. Next one. Now This is the question. Convert 0.375. Convert 0.375 bar. 75 bar into rational form. That means, what is our procedure? First write down the complete number. Write down the complete number minus non-repeating digit. This is the non-repeating digits without bar. First write down the whole number, complete number, and write down the digit which is not under bar. By how many digits are there? 2 digits in this bar. So put simply 2 nines. So non-repeating only 1 digit is there. Simply 0. That's all. This is the way to do. Now subtract this 3. We have to obtain 372 by 990. Again here 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, again 3 ones, 3 twos 6, again 12 is there, 3 fours, again 3 threes, again. Okay, next here 2 6, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 6, 5. So 62 by 165. 62 by 165. This is the rational number form. Rational number. So convert 0.375 bar into rational number. So this is the required rational number. Okay. Next one, another one. And one more problem. X is equal, if X is equal 3.3 bar minus 0.9 bar, Y is equal 4.5 bar minus 0.5 bar, then x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to dash. So let us do one by one. Okay. You see, first of all, you should simplify this one. 3.3 bar. 3.3 bar. So what you have to write? 3 plus 0.3 bar. 3 plus 0.3 bar. Now this you can write 3 plus 3 minus 0 by 9. Only complete number minus no non-repeating digit. No non-repeating digit is there. Only in this one, only one digit. That's why 19. Okay. So 3 plus 3 by 9. 3 ones, 3 threes. So this is equal 3 plus 1 by 3. So 3 into 3, 9 plus 1 by 3 gives us 10 by 3. Again, you see 0.9 bar. So write down the complete number minus 0 because no number is there. Now repeating by only one number, write down 1. So is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, what is the x value here? Actually 3.3 bar minus 0.9 bar. Okay. What is this value? 10 by 3 minus this value become 1. That means 10 by 3 minus 1, you can write 1. Take the LCM as 3. So 3 ones. So 1 into 10 minus 1 how many times? 3 times into 1. So 10 minus 3 by 3 gives us 7 by 3. So finally x value is 7 by 3. Now you see here in this one both are the same. That's why no need to do separate one. Directly you can cancel this one. You see 4 plus 0.5 bar. This you can write 4 plus 0.5 bar minus 0.5 bar. So plus minus get cancelled. So y is equal 4. Y is equal 4. Now what is the requirement? X square plus y square minus 2xy. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. That's why here you see here a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus y square minus 2xy. That means simply x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. That means what is the value of x here finally? Here this is the 7 by 3. Here x value is 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 minus y means 4 whole square. That means 7 minus 3 into 4, 12 by 3 whole square. That means 7 minus 12 minus 5 by 3 whole square. That means minus 5 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. So minus into minus get plus 5 into 5, 25 by 9. So this value is nothing but 25 by 9. So we have to do the problems like that. So whichever the problem it may be, first you have to convert according to that formula. First write down the complete number minus whichever the digit in non-repeating one divided by number of nines in that bar. How many digits are there in that bar? Just observe it. Whenever under bar 3 digits means put 3 nines. And also number of zeros with how many digits in non-repeating one? Just suppose 2 digits there, 2 zeros. 1 digit is there, 1 0. That's all. Without non-repeating means just leave it. Here you see no digit in the non-repeating one. That's why no need to put 0 here. If at all any possibility is there, suppose 1 is there, you should put 0. Okay. So this is the way to do. And one more question. And if a is equal, if a is equal 2 power x, b is equal 4 power y, c is equal 8 power z, where x is equal 0.1 bar, y is equal 0.4 bar, z is equal 0.6 bar. Then a into b into c is dash. A into b into c is dash. So first of all, you have to simplify the values of x and y. You see x is equal 0.1 bar. 0.1 bar. So directly you can write 1 minus 0 by 9. That is nothing but 1 by 9. Okay. Next y. What is y? What is y? 0.4 bar. 0.4 bar. That means 4 minus 0 by 9 is nothing but 4 by 9. Okay. Next z is equal 0.6 bar. That means 6 minus 0 by 9. 6 by 9. Okay. No need to simplify it because already under denominators all are equal. So now you see, first of all, you have to simplify this one. A into b into c. What is a? 2 power x. What is b? What is b? 4 power y. What is c? 8 power z. Okay. That means 2 power x into 4 square means 2 square. 4 square means 2 square. 4 square means 2 square into 8 means 2 cube. So here we have to use the formula a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. That means 2 power x into 2 power 2y into 2 power 3z. That means 2 power x plus 2y plus 3z. X plus 2y plus 3z. Okay. Now you see, so 2 power, what is x value? 1 by 9. plus 2 into y means 4 by 9 plus 3 into z means 6 by 9. That means 6 by 9. So finally you see here a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That's why you have to add a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. When the bases are equal means you have to add the powers in the multiplication. So just you have to write the LCM in the powers. Here LCM is 9. So here 1. Here 1. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 4 8. 3 into 6 18. So 18 plus 8 26. 26 plus 1 27. 27. So 27 by 9. Here 9 ones 9 threes. That means 2 power 3 by 1 is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 gives us 8. So the value is here a into b into c value is 8. So this is the way to do such problems like this. Okay? And one more problem. If x is equal 0.82 bar, y is equal 0.17 bar, a is equal 0.7 bar, b is equal 0.2 bar, then x plus y plus a plus b whole power x plus y whole power a plus b is equal dash. So first of all we have to simplify one by one. So x is equal 0.82 bar. That means we can write directly complete number minus 0. No non-repeating digit is there. Only under this one 2 digits will be there. Write down 2 nines only. So 82 by 99. Again y 0.17 bar. So this you can write 17 minus 0 by 99 is equal 17 by 99. Now in our requirement x plus y is there. What is x? 82 by 99. What is y? 17 by 99. So LCM is 99. That means 82 plus 17 gives us 99 by 99. 99 by 99. So get cancel. So x plus y value is 1. X plus y value is 1. Again here we have to simplify a. What is a? 0.7 bar. That means 7 minus 0 by 9 gives us 7 by 9. So b is equal to 0.2 bar. That means 2 minus 0 by 9 gives us 2 by 9. Here also a plus b. That means 7 by 9 plus 2 by 9. 7 by 9 plus 2 by 9. What is LCM? 9 is the LCM. So here 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 gives us 9. 9 by 9 gives us 1. So a plus b also 1. A plus b also 1. Therefore, actual our requirement is x plus y plus a plus b. X plus y plus a plus b. Same whole power x plus y plus a plus b. Okay. So what is the value of x plus y? 1. A plus b is 1. Whole power 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2 power 2. That means 2 into 2. 2 square means 4. So this value is nothing but 4. This value is nothing but 4. Okay. Next one. For suppose one more problem. If x is equal 0.16 bar, then 3x is equal dash. Here x is equal 0.16 bar. That means simply 16 minus 0 by 2 nines is equal to 16 by 99. Now 3x means 3 into x. That means 3 into 16 by 99. This is nothing but 48 by 99, or if you simplify this one, 3 into 16 by 99. 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 threes. Sometimes in the options this will be given or this will be given without having any simplification. Okay, with simplification. Okay, this is the way to do. Now one more problem. If x is equal 0.7 bar, y is equal 0.23 bar, then rational number between x plus y and x minus y is option A 53 by 55, option B 12 by 11, option C 4 by 11, option D 5 by 11. 5 by 11. So you see, first we have to find this x. So x is equal 0.7 bar, that means 7 minus 0 by 9. This gives us 7 by 9. Next, y is equal 0.23 bar, that means simply 23 minus 0 by 99. This gives us 23 by 99. Now, first of all, x plus y. What is x? 7 by 9 plus 23 by 99. What is LCM? 99. How many times? 9 11s. So 11 into 7. 11 into 7. 99 how many times? 1 time. So 1 into 23. 1 into 23. That means here 77 plus 23 by 99 gives us 100. 100 by 99. 100 by 99. Okay. So let us conversion into terminating or non-terminating. 99 ones, 99, 1. Put point decimal. Here also 0. So again 1. That means 99. Again 1. So 0. So again 0. Put 0 1. That means this is nothing but 1.01 bar. 1.01 bar. Next. What is x minus y? 7 by 9 minus 23 by 99. That means 11 into 7, 77 minus 23 by 99. That means it's nothing but 77 minus 23 gives us 54. 54 by 99. Again divide. 99 with 99. Okay. Put decimal 0. Here decimal. Okay. With 5s. 99 5s. 99 5s. 5 nines 45. 5 nines 45. 49. 49. Okay. You see 5 nines here. Here 5 nines 45. 5 nines 45. 495. So 5. Here 495. 495. Here this is nothing but here totally how much? Totally 45. Okay, 45. Again put 0. Here 99 fours. 99 fours. 4 nines 36. 4 nines 36. 39. So this is nothing but fours. 396. 396. That means again 54. Again repeat. That means this is nothing but, this value is nothing but simply 0.54 bar. 0.54 bar. Okay. Now we have to check the given options one by one. Okay. Here the value is x plus y value is, once again, here x plus y value is here 1.01 bar and x minus y value is 0.54 bar. Okay. So let us verify one by one which option is the correct one. You see, first one, this is divided with 55, 53. So put decimal 0. That means clearly 9. 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is here 55 with 9. 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is 45, 49. So here clearly 495. 495. That means clearly 35. Again 0. Okay. That means clearly 6. 55, 6. 55, 6. 6 5s 30. 6 5s 30, 33. So 6. So 330. 330. That means clearly 20. Okay. Clearly this value is 20. Like this. That means clearly here this is nothing but 1.01, this is nothing but 0.4. Here clearly 1.0101 like this, and this value is 0.4, 0.4 like this. Okay, that means clearly this value lies between this one. So our rational number lies between. So this is the correct one. Here this value is lies between that one. Let us check other options also. Let us check one by one. Suppose if you take 12 by 11, 12 by 11, what will you do? Here 11 ones, 11, here 1, 0.0, 0.0, again here 0, 11 nines, 99, 11 nines, 99. Okay, 11 nines, 99. Here also 1, again 0, again 0, 0, 9 nines. That means this value is nothing but option B value 12 by 11 is nothing but 1.09 bar. But here the value 010101. This is higher one. With this compared to with this one, this is the smaller one. So this is not the required one. That should not lies between these two. So only in between these two means here greater than and less than. Okay. Here you see option C. It 11 decimal. Okay. 11 3s. 11 3s 33. 7 is there. Okay. 11 6. 66. You see 0.36. Here only 0.542. Here 1.01 to 0.54 only. Here very smaller one. So this is not correct. Here also same one. You see this is the same one. Just you have to check the options. 11, 5. Here that's all. 4's 44. Okay. Here 0.4 is there, but it is higher one. So only our required one is the value must lies between 1.0101 to 0.5454 only. So each and every value does not lies between this one. So only option 1 is the correct one. Okay. So recording this conversion of anything into either rational number or a rational number can be converted into terminating or non-terminating. So if you like this video, just give me one like, and also if anyone not to subscribe at now, please subscribe my channel, and if you think it is very much useful for anyone means just share it now, and also give me a heartful comment in the comment box. Definitely I have to produce more videos for especially high school students, that is either state syllabus or CBS syllabus, whatever it may be, for competitive purpose only. I have to produce too many videos. Okay, thank you very much.